Hello, and welcome to Cooking with Clinton. My name is Clinton. In this video, we'll be reviewing the MS Zuiderdam, a Holland America Line vessel, launched in 2001. The Canaletto is a specialty restaurant on Deck 9 in the Lido Market that serves Italian cuisine. The Lido Market is the buffet on board the Zuiderdam. It is located on Deck 9, midship, and is open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. In-room dining is open 24 hours a day and is included in the cruise fare. The dining room is located on Deck 2 aft and is open for breakfast, lunch, afternoon tea, and dinner. The food in the dining room aboard the Zuiderdam is good and is what you will expect from Holland America Line. Dive In is the burger and hot dog restaurant located on Deck 9 midship. Pinnacle Grill is a specialty steakhouse on the Zuiderdam. Located on Deck 2 midship, the Pinnacle Grill serves up steaks and seafood. The Zuiderdam has a fair amount of onboard activities to keep you occupied on board. Sing along or enjoy 60 years of chart toppers played on 2 pianos in the billboard on board. Enjoy classical music in the Lincoln Center stage on Deck 2, performed by musicians on board. The Rolling Stone Lounge is home to the Rolling Stone Rock Band on Deck 2, midship. BBC Earth in Concert is a performance featuring a backdrop of nature put together with live music, located on the main stage, Deck 2 and 3. Other performances on the main stage include In Tandem, Humanity, Musicology, and Off the Charts. Exploration Central is an observation lounge and cafe. You can get coffee, tea, and more for an additional cost. The Gallery Bar is a bar serving up whiskeys and other alcoholic drinks on Deck 2. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay tuned on our video on the first port of call, Juneau, Alaska,